Hey, hello everyone, Sean Symons, PPG Grandpa. How much wind is too much wind to go fly? My rule of thumb is if my hat flies off when I'm kiting my wing, it's too much wind for me. Today I got the Atom 80, and with this wind, and even though I'm 250-ish pounds, an Atom 80 should be able to get me off the ground and I should be able to fly. One of the things that I also like to do when I put the motor on my carrier is I put my throttle cable through a carabiner. Even though it is locked pretty darn tight, it takes a lot to take this off the magnet. If it did come off the magnet and it did fall, it's not going to drag the ground. If I didn't have this through this, if it did come off the magnet for some reason, which it probably wouldn't, it would drag on the ground and totally ruin it. Making sure it goes all the way in and out on the carburetor. Got my kill switch right there and clear prop. Always check the kill switch. Let's go check our spark plug and the rest of the bolts. Thing off to check it, and it looks like this broke off completely. I mean, it's not on there tight at all. It was good to stash some extra ones in the car. I was not expecting to have to break out a new one, but here we are. Clear prop. Brakes are free and clear to pulley. So I was able to get up in the air in a couple of steps, which is awesome, but also too, coming in for a landing, I'm gonna have to be under power because I'll be flying backwards if I don't. Once I get down to the ground and I turn around, I want to pull those sea lines down to collapse the wing so it doesn't pull me or cause me to turtle or have any other accident. Watch this. Feel free to text me anytime at 501-747-3558 about high wind and flying in high winds. Thank you very much and have a great day.